What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make this video. It's going to be kind of short and sweet. I just wanted to fill you guys in on a couple things since I hadn't before. Long story short, when I kept telling you guys we're in a rush, I didn't really share why. And the reason why is because the house that we've been living in for the last 3 years was Kelly's aunt's house, and she actually wants to sell the house now. So long story short, we moved into the house thinking it was going to be a long-term thing. It's not now. So we didn't want to rent another house, so we are stressing because we basically had 90 days to try to purchase a house. So we actually just got the approval and everything through our bank. We've used the same bank for our car loans and everything for quite some time. And so we're super comfortable with them, but we got the approval. We're actually looking at 3 houses today, houses that are better than this house for about the same price. So I'm really excited for that. I'm really excited to redo my garage and all that kind of stuff, but I just basically wanted to let you guys know what we're doing, why we haven't been posting videos, kind of where the plans are for the 240. So the 240 we left off with the turbo waiting for a tune. Long story short, we're not gonna really, Matt's over here looking. We're probably not gonna be able to focus on driving too much this year like I wanted to, because of buying a house is obviously way more expensive than renting a house. But so my overall plan with the 240 is basically leave it where it's at right now, get it to the new house, put it up in the air, and I'm going to pull the whole entire car apart, like bare, basically. Pull the motor, everything. I'm going to completely redo the engine bay, paint, shave all the bullshit holes I don't need, put carpet in the interior, new dash, flock the dash, probably get rid of the coils I have on it, like everything. So it's going to be a year of building stuff. The reasoning behind this is, one, $100 on the engine bay will get me a lot farther on projects like that than it would trying to do aftermarket mods. So doing little stuff like paint and meticulous stuff, I'll be able to make content for you guys, and it'll be able to keep me amused without me having to drop a boatload of money at one time just to make content. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. The Jetta over here, Dadmobile 5000, we're just gonna put some E-codes on that, and I have some custom aero plans that I want to do on that car. Something that hasn't really ever been done, that I'm going to try to hand fabricate with the help of a couple of my friends. And I have a couple things planned for the 240 that are a little bit different too. I'm going to kind of try to incorporate some of the Euro stuff to the 240, and I think that will kind of change the game up a little bit. Some stuff that people hopefully haven't seen, which is really hard to do nowadays. But that's it. So basically, we're about to leave here in a little bit to go start looking at some houses. I just wanted to fill you guys in on everything. I'm sorry I didn't really put out a content and video. I'm still going to put out some video stuff. If you haven't already, watched the video on Tyson's manual swap. We did that in like 2 days, and if you want to count hours, it was probably technically within 1 real day worth of labor. His 5-speed swap on his E46. But I just wanted to fill you guys in. I was kind of worried that I was going to end up having to sell the 240 or the Jetta and all this stuff, and now that I know I'm not, kind of excited, and excited for what this year has to come. So that's all I got for you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Until next time.